Hey everyone, welcome to ecraftbox. Let's learn to make these stunning earrings using pom-poms. To find how to make these multicolored and multi-shaped pom-poms, click the links in the description box below. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe my channel. So let's start with this simple but pretty earring. The supplies required are earring hook, head pin, pom-pom and a piece of ribbon. First thing to do is insert the head pin into the pom-pom and bend it at 90 degree and make a small loop. I have added the link below where you can find all these materials. Attach the ear hook and seal the loop. And we are done with the first part. You can leave it as it is, just like this, or make it prettier by adding the ribbon like this. Just add a simple knot . Cut the excess and it's ready to use. You may just leave it without adding the ribbon. It will look something similar to this. Or add a bigger head pin and add a small bead, matching bead. If you have the supplies ready, you can make this earrings in less than 5 minutes. So moving on to our second project. The materials required are paper clip, pom-pom, ear hook and fabric glue. You may also use plain pom-poms if you wish. First you have to open the paper clip and make it into a triangular shape. Bend it into a triangular shape. Add the fabric glue. I have taken the Fevicryl fabric glue. If there is no gap in your paper clip, don't worry. Just insert the pom-pom directly. Now broaden the gap, add the pom-pom and bring it back to the shape. Once it dries, add the ear hook and secure it. Find all these materials required for this project in the link below. Now this is a square shaped pom-pom which I had shown in my other video. I have added a bead and added the loop on both the sides. I have taken a matching bead and ear hook and a small chain. Now to begin with, as usual, bend it to 90 degrees. Make a small loop or an eye. Before sealing, add the bead. Add the chain and then the ear hook. Guys, it's really easy to make and looks so vibrant. You must definitely try these. Hope you liked this week's video. Like, share and subscribe. See you